IV drip calculations don't have to be complicated. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to calculate drops per minute. Let's get started. IV fluids are a key part of patient care, used for hydration, medication delivery and maintaining electrolyte balance. But improper IV flow can lead to fluid overload or dehydration. Formula for the IV flow rate calculation. Flow rate is equal to total volume in ml divided by infusion time in hours. Example, need to infuse 1000 ml of NS over 8 hours. The calculation is 1000 ml divided by 8 hours is equal to 125 ml per hour. Another example is the patient needs 2000 ml of NS over 4 hours. The calculation is 2000 ml divided by 4 hours is equal to 500 ml per hour. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more nursing tips. Formula to calculate drops per minute. Total volume in ml into drop factor divided by infusion time in minutes. If you want to infuse 500 ml over 4 hours and the IV set has a drop factor of 15 drops per minute, first convert the time to minutes, that is 4 into 60 is equal to 240 minutes. Now apply the formula. 500 into 15 divided by 240 is equal to 31.25. Round the 31 drops per minute. Another example, patient need 250 ml NS IV over 4 hours. Drop factor is 10 drops per minute. Calculate the drops per minute. In this, the total infusion time will be 240 minutes. So 250 into 10 divided by 240, that is 10.42 drops per minute. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos to keep updating your knowledge. Thank you. Bye-bye.